All right, are we ready to make some sugar scrub? Great, me too. So this is actually what I made in the foaming bath butter base from scratch that I make. And I'm just going to make some whipped sugar scrub using this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out our ingredients. So we have our scale. And we want to use grams. That's just what I prefer to use. Let's get this scraped out. Now I do have all of my utensils, my bowls, my countertop, everything is good and sanitized. I didn't see any point in recording that because you guys know what all's involved in that. Alright. And I want to use 300 grams, and I don't quite have that here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit more from this that I made. Now when I make it up, I make a big bucket of it. See? So I'm just going to grab a little bit more out of this so I can get 300 grams and it won't mess up my recipe. We're getting there. I absolutely love, oh look, I'm already slinging this all over the kitchen. I absolutely love the scrub that this base makes. It's so nice. Whips up nice, creamy. Suds is good. Suds is, I don't even know if that's a word. We'll have to call that an "and" word. It suds is up good. Okay, so we have our base here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and measure out everything else that I'm going to be using. So I use glycerin in my sugar scrub. It's really good and moisturizing. It can get away from you before you know it. There we go. There's our glycerin, and I'm going to go ahead and weigh out my cherry kernel oil in the glycerin. And I love what the cherry kernel oil does for your skin. It makes it really nice and soft, and it's good and moisturizing. All right. And my fragrance oil, this is my own mixture. It's going to be Blackberry Bubble Gum. And it smells, oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and put my preservative in with the glycerin, I think. And this is Germall Plus. Yeah. There we go. It's always a good idea to use preservative. Now my base, when I make it, I do put preservative in it, but I just want to make sure, just because when you're talking about using a whipped sugar scrub, most people, myself included, you want to take that into the shower with you, and chances are good it's going to get water in the container, and you want to make sure you have a good preservative in there so that you don't get mold or something nasty to start growing in your jar of sugar scrub. And then this is just pure cane sugar. I think I ordered this from Walmart, to be honest with you. It's a great sugar. There's nothing wrong with it. I like using this over the refined because the refined tends to want to, it'll eventually kind of dissolve and go away. This seems to last a little longer. And I use equal parts sugar to the foaming bath butter base. Alright, there we go. And now we are going to mix. We're just going to break it up a little bit here first. And as you can see, I'm using just a hand mixer. You can use a KitchenAid, one of the stand mixers. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't happen to... Well, I had one, but I didn't like what it did to the base. And it wasn't a KitchenAid, it was a Sunbeam. And I didn't care for it. So you can use a hand mixer. There is no reason in the world why you can't. Same principle. You just want to get it whipped up. And all we're going to do is we're going to make it creamy. And then we're going to beat some air into it. And that's what's going to make it fluffy. And at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scrape down the side of my bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the glycerin, the cherry kernel oil, and the preservative to it. My bowl may be a little too big, but it's alright. We'll get it. We're going to whip this until it doubles in size, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up on high and whip it for a little bit until it doubles. I'm going to add the fragrance oil, and then we can add the sugar, and it's going to be ready to go. Oh, isn't that nice? Look at that. Can you see? You see how nice that is? Oh man, it smells so good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my Micas. Scrape down the sides one more time. Make sure it's all good and colored. Oh my gosh, I wish that you could smell this through the camera. It smells amazing. And one more little mix. Alright, now I like to kind of fold the sugar in, so what I'm going to do is just mix it in by hand. And we just want to make sure and get that all good and mixed up. I don't think there's anything that feels any better than a good sugar scrub. That sugar just gets in there and it just kind of gently, I don't know, it gently exfoliates, and basically what that's doing is it's just gently scrubbing away some of the dead dry skin. But then the base that it's in, the actual the foam and bath butter base here, that's what gets in there and just makes it all smooth. And you got that glycerin and the cherry kernel oil to help moisturize. I mean, it really is a nice treat for your skin, and I just love it. Alright, we are ready to pipe, so let's get our piping bag ready. scent. It's Blackberry Bubble Gum, and oh my goodness, does it smell good. Yes, it does. Okay, so let me trade out the bowl. I think I'm going to have to get me a new scale. Mine has seen better days. I had a small accident with wax on it, and now it looks horrible, and it doesn't really want to come on all that well. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Is it going to focus? Do the Dairy Queen upside down test. Huh. Oh, my kitchen smells so good. Blackberry bubble gum, there's nothing like it. See? Oh, it's so nice. So I actually made some bath bombs that were blackberry bubble gum, and oh, my Lord, they smell so good. And I did video that. I don't know if that's going to be up first or if this one is, but if this one goes up first, I will definitely link that one. All right. So all we have to do is put the lids on these and put the labels on them, and we're good to go. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my labels, I'll be more than happy to do a video on that to show you. But until then, I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and have a great day. Bye, guys.